Understand the chemistry of acid rain. Acid rain refers to precipitation with a pH lower than that of natural rainwater, which is slightly acidic, around 5.6, due to dissolved carbon dioxide. It is formed when primary gaseous pollutants react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere to form strong acids, such as nitric acid, HNO3, and sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Identify the primary atmospheric precursors to acid rain. The major contributors to acid rain are nitrogen oxides, NOx, particularly nitrogen dioxide, number 2, and sulfur oxides, SOx, particularly sulfur dioxide, SO2. Examine the atmospheric reaction of nitrogen dioxide, number 2, when number 2, produced primarily as a byproduct of high-temperature combustion in vehicles and power plants, is released into the atmosphere. It reacts with liquid water droplets in clouds to form nitric acid. 3 number 2 plus H2O gives 2HNO3 plus NO. The highly soluble HNO3 dissociates completely in water, yielding hydronium ions, H3O to the power plus, that drastically lower the pH of the precipitation. Match with the choices. Among the choices provided, number 2, option D, is a well-established pollutant gas that undergoes this reaction to produce acid rain. The correct answer is option D, NO2.